Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ginger. Thank you for being here. So this video is an exciting one. It's going to be the first part of our small laundry room reorganization. This room right here has been giving us some issues. It's lacking storage, it's lacking order. Things are just everywhere and it's just very disorganized. My goal was to create as much storage as I can and a good flow in here because we do come from the garage door through this laundry room into our home most of the time. So I hope that this video gives you some inspiration and you find it helpful. Let's jump right into the video. I knew going into this I wanted to add some shelving, so before I did that, I took out this wall mount that is usually used for like broomsticks, dusters, and it also comes with some hooks on it on the outside, so that's like double the storage, which we need all the storage in this space. And since taking that out, it left some holes, so I filled that in really quick with some drywall paste. While that is drying, I went to go and assemble this shelf. It came in a 2-pack and I was really satisfied with the quality of it. The brackets that you see there are really heavy duty, so I have a feeling that these shelves are going to last us a while. And I also added some of these hanging shoe baskets that were a little bit tricky for me to figure out at first. So I had messed up on one of them because I installed it way too close to the one that I already installed down there. Thankfully, I caught my mistake before I went ahead and pressed down all of the hanging baskets on there, but I just went in with some paint to touch up. To sand these holes up, I'm using my nail file or nail buffer because that's all I could find. My husband's not home, so I don't know where he kept the grit file. So this works. I'm just gonna lightly scratch it. I had plans to put 2 shelves on this side, but because I'm so limited on wall space on this small wall right here, it just wasn't gonna work out. So I ended up putting the other shelf by the washer, and you'll see later, but that just works out so much better. Another thing I really liked about these shelves is the color match to the existing laundry cabinets. I think I just got super lucky on that because I was not expecting it to match so well. I am just so happy with how everything turned out. I just feel like this space is exactly the way it was supposed to be, and it functions just so much better for our family now. It's organized, it's tidy, everything in here has a home. We can go through this space in and out just a lot easier without like tripping over any shoes. I have my laundry detergent that I put in this really cute glass jar, and it also came with a acrylic scoop. This jar came in a 2-pack. I have the other jar currently holding cookies in my kitchen. And then the baskets that you see there are from Dollar Tree. On the other shelf, this is where I have my fabric softener, all-purpose spray, and some paper towels because we do come from the garage and sometimes the floor gets a little muddy, so it's just good to have that on hand to clean up. This is my hanging wall basket I got from Target a few years ago, and those brushes are from IKEA. I got those last year. I use them all the time to clean. They are my favorite. I need to go get some more. And then on the other side, this is where I installed the hanging wall mount for my broomsticks, dusters, fly swatters. I ended up using some drywall screws to help hold this in place. Otherwise, it'd just be super wiggly. So yeah, after using the drywall screws, it is not going anywhere. And I love how it sits behind the door. So if I open the door, it doesn't hit or anything. So that is a big plus. These wall hanging shoe baskets turned out so good. You can fit 2 pairs of shoes per basket. I'm just over the moon about that because now my kids have a side for their sandals and a side for their tennis shoes. In between the washer and dryer, I was able to fit this multi-purpose 3-tier rolling cart in there, and it also has 3 little hooks that it comes with. And so far I've been using this for dirty socks and kitchen towels. I have a feeling it's also going to become a catch-all space too. I appreciate you watching today. I hope that this video was helpful to you and that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a like, a thumbs up. It helps my channel grow. Also, please consider subscribing for more videos like this. I have more coming your way. Until then, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone.